Double Scan Tempered Glass Screen Protector for Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Samahan niyo ako for a quick unbox and install. 2 pieces na ng screen protector ang laman ng box. One to install now, tapos yung spare naman is for future use. Nabili ko ito sa Shopee for 510 pesos. Ship na to me here in Zamboanga City. Kasama sa box yung cleaning tools, squeegee, table mat, literature, and yung main event, yung screen protector itself. Yan yung spare, then ito naman yung unang double scan tempered glass screen protector na gagamitin for this quick video installation. Ayan, nakamount yung screen protector sa lanyera na molded sakto para sa Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So here indicated top, tatapat yung top side ng phone. Here indicated bottom, pwepwesto bottom side ng phone. Very simple things to understand, di ba? I believe kahit sino, kaya mag-install nitong double scan screen protector. Enter Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Malinis pa ito kasi kaka-unbox ko lang, so hindi ko na gagamitin yung cleaning tools na kasama sa double scan screen protector. At diretso ko na lang ito ipapwesto dito sa lanyera. Screen face down, lalagay ko yung cellphone sa lanyera. Take note kung saan yung top side and bottom side, as explained ko earlier. Very tight fit itong lanyera. Kapag seated ng cellphone, hindi na ito gagalaw. Ensuring hindi tabingi ang installation. Next, yung pinaka-satisfying step ng installation. Ito yung paghila palabas ng pull-out tab. Make sure nakapress yung isang kamay sa cellphone. No need to hurry. Enjoy this satisfying moment. Okay? This one, pwede nyo na-discard ito. Hindi na kailangan ito. For now, keep together the cellphone at yung lanyera. Tapos wait lang kayo up to a minute to give the screen protector enough time mag-seat sa screen ng phone. After a minute, seated yung screen protector sa screen ng phone. Pwede na natin i-pull out yung top layer film ng protector na nakahook sa lanyera. Basically, yung lanyera na mismo ang ipo-pull out natin. Dahan-dahan na ulit guys, okay? Yan, almost done. Itong lanyera for keeps po yan. Huwag po itapon, okay? May bubbles tayo but don't panic, it's organic. Sisi ko squeegee ang mga bubbles na yan. Libreng OJT na rin ito para sa trabaho na tempered glass screen protector installer. Tapos na tayo sa pag-install ng double scan tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Makikita nyo talaga yung screen protector. Fitted ito ng saktong-sakto sa screen ng phone. Most visible ito sa mga corners. Primary reason for installing screen protector is to protect the screen of the phone, of course. For peace of mind na rin, knowing may screen protector yung phone natin. At ma-preserve ito yung flawless skin ng phone screen for as long as andyan ito. Shopee link is in the video description if you want to buy. Just click the link to buy. Okay? In this step, I am now putting in place or hooking the second screen protector sa lanyera. Kasi dalawa yung screen protector na kasama sa box. That's for the price of 510 pesos. 2 pieces na. So, ganun lang kadali guys. For now, balik nyo na ito sa box for safekeeping. And that's a wrap for this video guys. Comment nyo naman what you think about this double scan tempered glass screen protector. I want to hear your thoughts about this. Also, please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Malaking bagay po yan para sa channel. Thanks for watching. Mates Wen, out!